Hello my friend, welcome to the video course regarding Python. This course consists of over 70 lessons and it's over 10 hours long. Yes, it's so big. If you're asking yourself each time when you learn something new questions like why do we need the loops, why they are constructed like that and so on, then you are in the right place because I will explain you everything regarding the Python from scratch. I believe that everyone has the ability to develop software if they are taught properly. Including you. I'm going to give you the context of each new concept I teach you. After my course, you will finally understand everything that you code. What you will know after this course? As you can see, you will know lots of stuff. You will know semantic of Python, which means meaning of words in Python. You will be fluent in this language, which will allow you to create whatever you want. You will know things like functions, operators, how to operate on string, conditional statements, differences between lists, collections, tuple, dictionaries, when to use each of them, how to measure the performance, and so on. Loops, how to handle files, importing Python libraries, and that's not all. I showed during the course a lot of practical examples, okay? So you might be also asking yourself, why should you choose my course? Because I have enormous experience in teaching other people and I do it different way. I always explain everything from scratch. I do not omit anything. After this course, you will have knowledge and what is the most important thing, ability to read Python without any problems. If you know how to read Python libraries, you can then program whatever you want. My courses are updated frequently. You have help regarding covered topics. If you have any questions, you can just ask them. I really love helping other people. What you should know before this course? This empty space suggests that, yeah, you don't need to know anything. This is a course for beginners. You can just start watching this course without totally any knowledge regarding programming. You can just watch it and become somebody who can program in Python. Who am I? Well, my name is Arkady Żudarczyk and I have enormous experience, as you can see, in programming, in developing websites, and also I have over 100,000 of students who have enrolled my courses. So yeah, lots of people believe in me. They are mostly satisfied. As you can see, here are sample comments, sample reviews about my courses. You can read more about more reviews regarding my courses on internet. If you have any questions, remember, feel free to ask because I love helping others, okay? I will respond as fast as possible. So please go on, have a good day, and thank you for watching the first introduction video.